Plumbing problems got you upset. Plumbing problems got you in a dark place. Come to the Balkan light. Let's take a look inside. Literally, day and night, rainy day, a sunny day. We have a dozen crews mobilizing at any time that you need us to take care of your problems. We are truly the team you can trust. This is just another typical morning where the guys are getting set up to serve you.